Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and now we are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category, facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, there is some fine attractions and landmark also. A set of reviews is now displayed on your screen which may address any of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen reviews are displayed by amenities, facilities and images, etc. To talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. Photo ID and check-in. Credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel, guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Visibility online, you online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online.